We are glad that you are interested in watching our company profile. Our company consists of 3 brands. The main brand is called Betterfuse, mainly focusing on consumer electronics, and 2 sub-brands. One is called Adler, mainly responsible for overseas sales and design. Another sub-brand is STM focusing on research and development. Betterfuse was established in 2003 and has been in circuit protection business for more than 20 years. We have now a total of 6 factories in China and 1 in Singapore. Now, our annual sales turnover has reached $102 million. Our entire line of products contains 4 major areas, including overcurrent, overtemperature, overvoltage, and multiple protection components. We have a wide range of overcurrent protection products, which are suitable for use on telecoms, battery packs, power adapters, LED lighting, etc. We have matured and well-established overtemperature protection products, which are used on ovens, heaters, coffee pots, battery packs, charger, etc. Our overvoltage protection products are newly developed. They target mobile phones, computers, telecoms, industrial controls, etc. In addition to the OC, OT, and OV single protection products. We also have a multi-protection product, such as OC plus OT, merged together to form a BTU series multi-protection product. We also have new products called 3-terminal fuse and 3-terminal battery protector for overcharging protection. ASTM mainly focuses on the development of new products, especially brick fuses. In these 20 years of business development, we have already had many product and factory certificates. Compared with our competitors, one of our strengths is having a qualified test center. Its capabilities are generation, a current of up to 1500 A, X-ray picturability, thermal picturability, etc. Over the past 20 years, our company has invested substantially in the automation of equipment to increase the product reliability. Thank you for your precious time to watch our company profile. If you have any inquiries, please send us an email.